Hello! So if you haven't done a search for a data analyst job yet, give it a try. One thing you might notice is how many variations of data analyst jobs there are. You'll find some that just say data analyst in the job title, and others that include more details like market research analyst and digital data analyst. This variety is a good thing. It means that as a data analyst, you'll have a pretty wide range of job opportunities available. So while you might not be the right fit for every position that's posted, every position that's posted might not be the right fit for you. As you continue moving forward, it's important to keep your own interests in mind. There might be certain topics that we've covered or will cover that you find yourself especially interested in. When you're job hunting, you might want to tailor your search to find jobs that are focused on or include your areas of interest. For example, if a job description lists data cleaning as a job responsibility, and you think that you'd really enjoy that process, you could make that job your top priority. At the same time, think about your other interests. If you have a background in retail or medicine or finance, and have had a good experience with it, you might apply for jobs that match your background. As an added bonus, your experience will look great on your resume. But it's also okay to search for jobs in an area of personal interest where you have no professional experience. If you've always loved cars, check out what positions the auto industry has. If you're fascinated by how utility companies work, hunt for jobs in the energy and utilities industry. Finding a job is great. Finding a job you love is even better. Always keep in mind that data analytics is constantly evolving within lots of different industries. So job titles and hiring needs might also change. But the opportunities, no matter what they are when you're searching, will be there. So now let's preview some of the many kinds of data analyst jobs that are out there. The certificate you earn here will be most applicable to junior or associate data analyst positions. But that doesn't mean you have to limit your job search to only postings for junior or associate analysts. Job titles come in all shapes and sizes. New analysts work in a wide range of industries. Healthcare analysts gather and interpret data from sources like electronic health records and patient surveys. Their work helps organizations improve the quality of their care. Healthcare analysts might also look for ways to lower the cost of care and improve patient experience. Data analysts in marketing complete quantitative and qualitative market analysis. They identify important statistics and interpret and present their findings to help stakeholders understand the data behind their marketing strategies. Business intelligence analysts help companies use data they've collected to increase their efficiency and maximize their profits. These analysts usually work with large amounts of data to identify trends and generate business insights. Financial analysts also work with lots of data. Really, all analysts do. But financial analysts use the data to identify and potentially recommend business and investment opportunities. If you're a junior analyst in this field, you'll probably start off doing a lot of data gathering and financial modeling as well as spreadsheet maintenance. This is just a small taste of the types of data analyst jobs out there. Each type we've covered can branch out into other industries as well. For example, business intelligence analysts can work in healthcare, government, e-commerce, and more. It's exciting to think about the possibilities. There's more work for you to do, of course, but there's nothing wrong with looking ahead. And when you get to that place you're looking ahead to, you'll be able to take charge and find the best job for you. For the time being, we'll keep exploring your resume. See you soon.